Introducing the INALSA Aero Crisp Airfryer, a versatile 12-liter capacity air fryer that's perfect for your home kitchen. Here's a quick look at what makes this appliance a must-have. Design and build quality. The INALSA Aero Crisp features a sleek and modern design with a spacious 12-liter capacity, making it ideal for families. The family rotisserie oven design allows you to prepare large meals with ease. Versatility. This 7-in-1 air fryer oven offers a wide range of cooking functions, including fry, bake, grill, roast, dehydrate, defrost, and reheat. With 10 preset menus, you can easily prepare a variety of dishes at the touch of a button. Ease of use. The intuitive controls and preset menus make the INALSA Aero Crisp incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, you'll find it easy to use and versatile enough for all your cooking needs. Technology and features. The air fryer uses advanced technology to cook food evenly and quickly, ensuring that your meals are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The rotisserie function is perfect for roasting whole chickens or large cuts of meat. Warranty. The INALSA Aero Crisp comes with a 2-year warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Overall verdict. The INALSA Aero Crisp is a powerful and versatile air fryer that can handle a wide range of cooking tasks. It's perfect for families who want a single appliance that can do it all. Pros: large 12-liter capacity, 7-in-1 functionality with 10 preset menus, easy to use with intuitive controls, 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. Cons: may take up more counter space due to its size. Buy the INALSA Aero Crisp Air Fryer on Amazon affiliate link, like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews.